guys, welcome to Lasya Entertainment. So in this video I am gonna say about hair dryer. Hair dryer is an object or a thing. So let's get into the hair dryer. So as you can see here, this is called hair dryer. This is used if our hair is wet, we can dry up. When we are coming from outside, our hair is wet due to the rain. We can on this and we can dry up. So let me show how it works. First, they will give a wire attached to the hair dryer. So take the wire and plug to the switchboard, and after that on the switch. And as you can see here, 0, 1 warm, 2 hot. I am keeping in 1 warm now, and now 2 hot, and now 0. And now if you want cool air, I am keeping in warm, and after that pressing the button. So the cool air is coming. So let me show how we have to dry our hair. So first I am keeping in warm. Also, now I am keeping off it. If you want cooler, we have to keep this in warm and we have to press the ice button. So guys, this is my video today. Please subscribe, like, share, comment whether it is good or bad, and share to your family members, colleagues, friends. Thank you. Bye bye. Meet me in the video. Have a nice day.